This video you're watching wasn't made by me. The title, the script, the voice, even the thumbnail was created by ChatGPT and AI tools. I gave the AI full control of my YouTube channel, and the result? Well, you're watching it right now. So the question is, does it actually work? Let's find out. Actually, you tell me. No, actually, if you're watching it, then it probably worked, right? But the bigger question is, why did I hand over my channel to ChatGPT? And there's the truth. So lately my videos hasn't performed well, and I was devastated, and I didn't know what to do. Just blank screens and disappointing views. So I asked myself, what if there was someone who knew exactly what I needed to go viral? Then it suddenly clicked. Wait a minute, there is someone's, and that someone was ChatGPT. At that moment, ChatGPT wasn't just an AI tool for me, it was my window to success. So I dig in. I crafted the perfect prompt designed specifically for my channel. Trust me, coming up with that prompt was the hardest part. It took me weeks, tweak after tweak, test after test, until finally, it clicked. From topics to titles, scripts to thumbnails, every part was made to hit the algorithm where it matters the most. And what you're watching right now is the video that ChatGPT suggests that has highest chance of going viral. And without any questions, I gave ChatGPT full control. No backup plan. I just uploaded whatever it made. Now the question is, did it actually work? Well, this video is the answer to that question. You're watching the experiment unfold in real time. And if this works, it changes everything. Not just for me, but maybe for you too. Because if AI can figure out exactly how to grow a channel, then anyone can start from zero and win this game. No expensive gear, no massive team, just the right strategy and a smart AI. Sounds crazy, but this might be the future of YouTube.
What the fuck is going on here?
But let's not get ahead of ourselves, guys. This isn't about hype, it's about results. And if it fails, all this talk goes straight to garbage. Because right now, we're testing something no one's ever done it. A full-on, AI-designed experiment, and it's already in motion. Every second you watch, the data is shifting, the algorithm is watching, and soon, we'll know, was this a breakthrough or just another failure? But if it goes viral, I'll show you everything I did to make this video. So hit subscribe, because what's coming next might just change how you see YouTube forever.